By looking at the word divisibility, you might guess that divisibility is somehow related to division. When you divide a number with another number, you get a quotient and a remainder. For example, if you divide 9 divided by 2, we can look at it with long division, just to have a good look at what happens with our quotient and remainder. So if we have 9 divided by 2, we write it like this. Then we ask ourselves, what number could I multiply 2 by? What's the largest whole number that I can multiply by 2 to get less than or equal to and as close as I can get to 9? And the answer is 4. So I multiply 4 times 2, which equals 8. And then I subtract 9 minus 8 equals 1. So I would say that 9 divided by 2 equals 4, which is my quotient, and with a remainder, so I'll put my little r there, of 1. 9 divided by 2 equals 4, remainder 1. However, on the other hand, if I have a number that doesn't have a remainder, then I have a situation that looks like this. So let's look at 8 divided by 2. So in this case, I would simply know that 2 times 4 equals 8, or 8 divided by 2 equals 4. I would put my answer here of 4 on the top, and I would say 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Place my 8 here. Subtract 8 minus 8 equals 0. And so I have a remainder of 0 or no remainder. And so I would simply write my answer then as 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And I don't have a remainder, so I'm not going to put an r after it. In this case, 9 divided by 2 equals 4, remainder 1. So looking at these two examples of 9 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2, we would say that 8 is fully divisible by 2 because my answer is one whole number quotient with no remainder. So I have no remainder in this. That means that 8 is fully divisible by 2. Or we can simply say 8 is divisible by 2. On the other hand, with our 9, we would say that 9 is not divisible by 2. Because even though I can perform the long division on 9 divided by 2 and I can come up with an answer, the fact that my answer has a remainder of 1, or any remainder, tells me that it is not divisible. So 9 is not divisible by 2 because there is a remainder other than 0. 8 is divisible by 2 because there is no remainder.